Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC. However, before we start, I've got a small request from you. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. On this episode, we're going to skip the weekly time frame. As soon as we lost $22,700, since then, we were talking about how important in the first place 20,500 is going to be. So at the moment, in the last 72 hours, as you can see, we're getting rejection right from this resistance, which is a higher time frame, as well as the mid time frame, the resistance levels. And breaking and claiming above, as we spoke, $21,500, $700 are going to be extremely important. That is going to allow us to get back to the daily consolidation level that we've been talking again in the last few weeks. However, I'll keep mentioning that the price action getting squeezed literally in this area. We will see a volatile market in the coming days, because as soon as we lost $60,000, retested it, that was a first leg down with a bit of consolidation around here, and then we had a second leg down. Minor consolidation took place around here. In the last over 110 days, we're having a consolidation literally in this zone. And at the moment, the price action, as I said, got squeezed between $17,500 all the way up to $25,000. So the levels are still the same, and there is no need to panic. So as I'm keep mentioning, as soon as you manage to exit from $60,000, $52,000, and then the last exit was $48,000, there is no need to exit. First support level, we lost that, and then we came to the second one, as well as the last one was 17,500, 17,200, which is a higher time frame Fibonacci level, 786, and we saw massive dump in the market. That is 70%. With the current price action, as you can see, over 65% dump in the market, and the daily time frame still struggling heavily and under the bear's control. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Based on the 4-hour time frame, the first exit level was 25,000, 24,800, all the way up to $23,000, $23,500. If you're a conservative trader, that was your exit level, 23 and 23,500. First target level met, second one higher time frame, the support, and then we came right to the daily time frame support level. Since then, we started pumping all the way up to $22,500, $600, as you can see, right exact from the 618, the golden pocket. We saw another dump in the market, and that came exactly to the local support, which was a previous daily support. As long as we stayed above this lower time frame resistance, as I said, this resistance is not going to be an issue, and then we're going to go all the way up to this resistance level. And then the 4-hour time frame will get back into the consolidation level. At the moment, 4-hour is in consolidation. However, it started providing already a weak bullish signal. As long as we're going to be above this level, claim it as a support, then 4-hour time frame will move under the bull's control. However, we've got another levels. If you remember, this is your local Fibonacci level that you're going to take it from this high all the way to the recent low, the local low, and you will going to face at around $21,000 all the way up to $21,200, $300, another golden pocket. And then we've got another Fibonacci level, since we're following this from $25,000 all the way to this local low, the previous rejection right from the golden pocket, and trying to test the mirror image of the golden pocket 382, and that's a heavy confluence that it's built around in this area, and you have to be careful. We might see, if we're going to see a dump, that's going to be brutal, and we will see heavy dump in the market, and I'm not expecting, if we're going to see the dump, this local support is not going to hold. Once we're going to lose this support, and then we will test in the first place 17,500 all the way up to $17,200. Before we move on to further analysis, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnite8, and 101 Intense Masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable and professional trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. During the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading system. From the recent video that as I mentioned, as long as we're going to be above lower time frame resistance, we will see highly likely the price action will come and test this resistance, and then this resistance is not going to be an issue. At the moment, the second resistance is acting as a support, and we saw a decent dump in the market that provided a massive 6.5% pump in the market. And if you are a leverage trader, you do the maths with a 5 and 10 times leverage. As I said, based on a 4-hour time frame, even though we're going to claim this resistance as a support, then the next level is going to be the 0.618, the golden pocket. That's going to be $22,500, However, I'm not giving too much weight at this stage. We're going to see the rejection, and then this time I'm not expecting this resistance will hold. We will lose highly likely this support as well, and we will come to test in the first place $17,500 all the way up to $17,200. I had a question regarding this pitchfork that I shared via Twitter as well as in the recent videos. This is your first point, second point, as well as the third one. As soon as we got perfect rejection twice and this level hold, which is a confluence with a horizontal support level, as soon as we exited from this level and we're facing with a higher time frame, the resistance at this stage. So the question was, is there going to be a possibility that we're going to come to this level and then I will follow that same pitchfork? The answer is, as soon as we exited this pitchfork, I usually do not follow it. As I said, as soon as we exit and then we tested outside of this pitchfork, the resistance or support levels, then I will stop following it, even though we're going to come back and I will start drawing a new pitchfork. I will show another example how to use a pitchfork that you're going to take from Saturday, 18th of June. That's the first point. Second point is going to be Friday, 8th of July, all the way up to the last point, 13th of July. As you can see perfectly, we're just getting rejection from the first line as well as the 0.618. We were in this pitchfork over a month. And as you can see, as soon as we left the pitchfork, there was a higher time frame, resistance 25,000, 24,800. That's our first exit level. The second exit level I shared in public, in Twitter, as well as in the YouTube videos. We followed those support and resistance over a month. So the second level for the conservative trader was 23,500 all the way up to $23,000. So if you want to see the confluence, as you can see, perfect rejection. After we got rejection, $25,000, that was a risk takers, as long as you know your levels. However, for the conservative traders, as you can see, as soon as you exit from the pitchfork and then retested it perfectly, the smart money line, exited, you lost the pitchfork as well as the hybrid system, and then massive dump in the market. So this is how you're going to use it after the heavy dump in the market all the way up to this level or below. I'm not looking to use the pitchfork again. This may be your secondary tool in your system. 2-hour time frame. As you can see yesterday how we bounced and we started going all the way up again. And that was a second test within 24 to 48 hours. After we got the first rejection, came inside this support, and then we went all the way up again. We're getting rejection, lower line of this, the resistance. At the moment, as long as we're going to be staying above, based on a 2-hour time frame, this support, highly likely then this time we're going to break and then we will take this level all the way up to $21,000. And then from there on, as I said, if we're going to see the rejection right from there, highly likely that we're going to lose all these levels in the first place. Losing this local support is going to provide us in the first place $17,500 up to $17,200. However, claiming this level as a support and confirmation based on a 4-hour time frame, then the next level is going to be upper levels, that which I mentioned earlier on. And that's going to be around $22,500 all the way up to $23,000. We came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.